SJC News Reports for the month of July. I'm Anvesha Panda of class 10th A.
And I'm Sai Smriti Mahapatra from class 10A. We bring you the highlights at St. Joseph's Convent High Secondary School for the month of July 2025, which is a month of abundance in drops of blessings, in green initiatives, in activities, in academics and in achievements.
On 2nd July, the school observed Van Mahotsav Week enthusiastically with the inspiring theme, Trees Are Life, Let's Nurture Them. The event began with a brief cultural program highlighting the vital role of trees in sustaining life on earth. Chief guest Mr. Kalunge Gorak Vaman, the DFO of Sambalpur Forest Division, addressed the gathering, emphasizing the responsibility of every individual in preserving the environment. Students with teachers joined hands to plant tree saplings in the school garden and surrounding areas. Many students also took the initiative to care for the saplings they planted, making the celebration not just symbolic but action-oriented.
On 5th July, the NCC honorary ceremony was held to acknowledge the dedication and achievements of the cadets. The principal, along with the NCC in charge at school, pinned the new ranks and distributed honorary badges to deserving candidates. The proud cadets stood in perfect formation as their efforts in drills, parades and community service were applauded. The event inspired younger students to join the NCC and contribute to its ideals of unity and discipline.
On 12th July, the school hosted a thrilling day of basketball matches under the CISCE Zonal Championship. Teams competed in the under 14 girls, under 17 boys and under 19 boys categories. St. Joseph's Convent showcased its talent in two exciting matches, one against St. John's School and another against St. Mary's. The under 17 boys emerged as the first runners-up. Likewise, the under 17 girls too secured the first runners-up position. The court side was filled with cheering supporters and every basket scored brought loud applause. The matches reflected not only skill but also sportsmanship and the ability to stay calm under pressure.
On 14 July, a highly informative career counseling session was conducted by Mr. Pavan Kumar Kohli, a seasoned professional with over 21 years of experience in IT and education. He spoke about the importance of identifying one's strengths, exploring various career opportunities, and staying updated with technological advancements. Students interacted enthusiastically, asking questions about emerging fields, skill development, and higher education paths. The session left many students feeling more confident and focused about their future goals.
On 16 July, the school's cricket teams competed in the under 14 and under 17 categories in the CISCE Zonal Cricket Tournament conducted at Assembly of God School, Jharsuguda. The matches were marked by intense batting, strategic bowling and brilliant fielding. Coaches encouraged the players from the sidelines while teammates showed great unity and support. This enthusiasm earned the under 17 and under 14 team of boys their first prize, bringing immense pride to our school community.
Zonal match for Kho-Kho was conducted at St. Carmel School, Rourkela. Girls in the category of under 14 and under 17 represented our school and performed wonderfully, taking themselves as well as the school a step higher in sports achievement. The under 14 secured the first runners-up position. On 18 July, there was a burst of creativity and excitement as skill development classes were resumed after a long hiatus. Students had chosen from a variety of activities such as karate, clay modeling, literary training, embroidery, school band, fitness routines, and various dance styles. Expert guest instructors guided the learners, ensuring both fun and skill enhancement. The classes aimed to nurture not only artistic and athletic abilities, but also qualities like discipline, teamwork, and self-expression.
From 23rd to 26th July, Muhammad Farhan of class 9C proudly represented the school at the 48th State Sub-Junior Basketball Championship held at the Jawaharlal Nehru Indoor Stadium. The championship brought together talented players from across the state, and the competition was fierce. Farhan's dedication, teamwork, and perseverance on the court reflected the school's sporting spirit. The experience also offered valuable exposure to high-level play and competitive sportsmanship. On 26th and 30th July, students from our school participated in the Zonal Karate Championship held at Titlagarh. They showed the martial arts talent and remarkable acumen in self-defense in the under 14 category. It was a proud moment for our school to see young talents winning hearts everywhere.
On 26 July, a parent-teacher meeting for high school students, class 6 upwards, was organized to strengthen the partnership between home and school. Teachers discussed students' academic progress, participation in activities, and areas for improvement. Parents appreciated the opportunity to address concerns and share feedback. The interactive sessions fostered a collaborative approach to ensure each student's growth and success.
On 28 July, the winners of the International Social Studies Olympiad ISSO were felicitated in the morning assembly. The principal congratulated the achievers for their hard work, sincerity in studies, curiosity, and analytical thinking. Students were encouraged to continue participating in such competitions to broaden their horizons and develop a deeper understanding of the world.
On 28 July, the boys team of our school for volleyball participated in the CISCE Zonal Volleyball Championship held at Belpaha. The boys team in the under 17 category secured the position of first runners-up. Likewise, the girls team for volleyball displayed exceptional show of talent and enthusiasm for the sports and performed their very best, becoming the first prize winners in the under 17 category at the zonal level. It was a proud moment for all the students of our school to see their fellow friends in these sports.
We commend our praise to Arnav Ashutosh Pradhan of class 7C, who received a diploma in the drawing category of fine arts at the Sur Bharti Kala Kendra. It is a matter of immense pride for our school to see the students participate in various other activities outside the campus boundaries.
On 31st July, a farewell with love was held for beloved history teacher Devi Prasad Sharma sir, who gave 32 years of service to our school. The ceremony commenced with a heart-touching prayer service followed by expressions of gratitude and appreciation. Heartfelt dance performances brought in the elegance left most people with moist eyes. Students delivered poignant memories and speeches conveying their utmost respect. Sharma sir shared a few words looking back at his life with warmth and modesty. The program came to a closure with a dedicated, inspiring speech by our principal, closing a lovely chapter in our school's history.
On 31st July, the month concluded with an intellectually stimulating CISC quiz competition. Representing the school, the quiz teams demonstrated quick recall, logical reasoning, and strong teamwork. We welcomed our quiz master, Mr. Ravi Banjari, who is the Deputy General Manager and State Authority member at Rourkela Steel Plant.
The inter-house quiz competition for the senior category was a power-filled war of wits with 7 electrifying rounds. Take your pick: Odisha Darpan, Buzzer Round, Rapid Fire, Agnipath, Pehchan Kaun, and Sab Dekho, Sab Jeeto. The audience was extremely participative, frequently answering overlooked questions with stunning accuracy. Gandhi House duo Devansh Pradhan 12A and Shivani Dash 11A claimed first place, while Radhakrishnan House pair Aniket Padhi 12A and Arpan Chatterjee 11A came second. Tagore House's Swam Prasan Raut and Khushi Gosai and Aurobindo House's Sharia Naz and John Livingston gave a tough competition.
The Sub-Junior Inter-House Quiz was a colourful and lively exhibition of youthful talent. Contestants took part in all the 7 exciting rounds. Take your pick, Odisha Darpan, Buzz Round, Rapid Fire, Agnipat, Pehchan Kaun and Sab Dekho, Sab Jeeto with great gusto. The contest was intense and the spectators also joined in with immense enthusiasm. Gandhi House's Mithilesh Das 7D and Shreyasi Sahu 6C won the first prize with quick responses and prompt reaction. Radhakrishnan House's Ayush Kumar 7C and Ayan Padhi 8B bagged the second prize with confidence. Following closely were Arimesh Panigrahi 8C, Piyush Sahu 7th F of Tagore House and Shriyanshu Mishra 6th E, Priyanshu Raut 7th B of Aurobindo House.
The Sub-Junior Zonal Quiz Competition, classes 6 to 8, was a thrilling fight of wits between St. Joseph's Convent Higher Secondary School, Sambalpur and St. Anne's School, Sonpur. Members were provided with answer sheets and were presented with 20 well-crafted questions referred from their GK books. The quiz required not only knowledge but presence of mind and precision. The crowd was just as excited, cheering their respective sides and mounting the event's spirit. In a nail-biting competition, St. Joseph's Convent emerged as the winner and St. Anne's the proud runner-up.
The zonal level inter-school junior quiz competition saw a thrilling showdown of knowledge between 3 renowned schools. St. John's School, Sambalpur, St. Joseph's Convent Higher Secondary School, Sambalpur, St. Anne's School, Sonpur. Each school had 2 students participating as teams. Following a neck-and-neck contest, St. John's School won the first prize, followed by second place for St. Anne's School and third for St. Joseph's. The session concluded with a group photo and an expression of gratitude for everyone who took part.
The Junior Group Inter-House Quiz Competition for Class 9 and Class 10 was alive with excitement and energy. Students contested through the same 7 suspense-filled rounds. Spectators were equally animated, eagerly accepting past questions and cheering with enthusiasm. From Tagore House, Arnav Sanjeev Mishra, Class 10B, and Sai Darshit Swain, Class 9B, won the first position. From Aurobindo House, Swastik Biswal, 9B, and Shashwat S. Pradhan, 9B, trailed behind at second position. Other teams that competed were Ayush Dora, 9A, and Ayushman Panda, 9B, from Radhakrishnan House, and Dipya Jyoti Mishra, 9A, and Arush Abhikshit Sahu, 9A, from Gandhi House.
Thank you very much for tuning in to the SJC News Report.
We will be back with many more updates in the next month. Until then, goodbye and happy learning.
Subscribe for more updates.